Well, congratulations. How are you feeling?
Поздравляю, как себя чувствуешь?
Ассалаумағалейкум. Рахмет көп-көп. Өзімді жақсы сезініп отырмын өте.
Thank you. Everything's great. I feel good. I feel great.
Is this how you pictured your UFC debut going?
Ты так и думал, что твой дебют пройдет? Ты так его себе и представлял?
Иә, әрине, соперник өте тәжірибелі, опытный. Мен оны мезгілден бұрын жеңем деп ойламадым. Осындай төрешілер шешіміне барады деп ойладым негізі.
Yes, he's a very experienced fighter. We were expecting a 3-round war. This is exactly what happened. This is what I prepared for. He's a great fighter. He was in the top 15 not so long ago. So we expected that this fight will go exactly 3 rounds, and that's what happened.
So it sounds like you kind of expected what happened, but were there any surprises in there? Was there anything about him that kind of shocked you?
Было ли что-нибудь в бою, чем он тебя удивил?
Иә, әрине, өзінің коронный ударлары бар. Онақай бір мен соған қарап жүрдім. Өзімді начеку был.
Yeah, I mean, I was definitely watching out for his overhand right. I know that he's got a favorite overhand right that he throws all the time. So I was always watching out for that. But the thing that surprised me were instead of the overhands, he threw a lot of low kicks. So that's definitely something he surprised me about.
Were you confident going into the scorecards and when the scores were being read that you were going to win the fight?
Был ли ты уверен в том, что когда бой завершился и судьи должны были высказать решение, был ли ты уверен в том, что ты выиграешь?
Иә, әрине, мен бірінші өзім қарсыласының түріне қарадым да, өзімнің түріне қарадым. Ананың түрі вес гематома и где-то бір 60-та 40 шешіммен оттым деген ойда болдым. И концовка алдым. 1-3 железін алдым.
Yeah, I mean, I was pretty sure my hand was going to get raised because look at his face. He's covered in hematomas and all sorts of cuts. And look at my face. So definitely I did way more damage. So I was pretty confident. And I'm pretty sure that I did at least like a 2-1, two rounds to 1. So I was pretty confident that that's what happened. I was surprised that there was a split decision because I'm pretty sure that it's me 2-1.
Sometimes we see that there's a viewing party back home, family members. Was there something like that for you? I didn't see it on the broadcast, but I could have missed it. Were there people, a big party going on, people watching your debut?
Часто мы видим, когда проходят дебюты таких бойцов, как ты, что у них дома там собираются целые стадионы, все смотрят, все за тебя болеют. Было ли что-то такое у тебя в стране сегодня?
Иә, әрине, бұрын Трипл G Головкиннің бойына тұратын болатын, қазір берсе менің бойыма тұрады деп ойлаймын. Әрине, бәрі қол жауатыр, дұғада бүкіл қазақ еліне рахмет айтқым келеді. Аллаға шүкір болғанда.
Yeah, before in my country, in Kazakhstan, the whole country used to get up and watch Triple G's fights, Gennady Golovkin fights. And now I'm sure that they're going to get up and they're going to watch my fight. But specifically today, it wasn't the whole country, but maybe a lot of people definitely got up and they saw me. For instance, my entire team got up and they saw it, and people in the office, and the company's office, and people in the gym. So there was a lot of people that were watching the fight for sure.
And last one for me, when would you like to get back in there, and do you have an opponent in mind or a date in mind?
Последний вопрос от нее. Как быстро ты хочешь вернуться обратно в октагон? И есть ли у тебя кто-то на уме, чье имя ты хотел бы произнести как своего следующего соперника?
Бір 3 ай 4 ай мезгілінде жететін сияқты негізі дайындығымды. Әрине біздің жалғас деген ағамыз бар, соны отқан Октагонға деген жігіт өте маған қызық негізі сонымен бой өткізуге. Өйткені оны бүкіл аудитория біледі, біздің қазақ елі біледі. Бір жағынан жалғас ағамыздан кішкене өзім кек алғым келеді, айтқан кезде. Не дейміз, бәріне рахмет қазақ еліне, қолдап атқан, қолжап атқан өзім отбасыма, достарыма, бауырларыма көп рахмет айтқым келеді. Қасындағы Нұрадинаға, Қайрат аға, өзім командама, және өзімнің сбор өткізген Колорадо Elevation тимға, Ричард, Кристиан, өзімнің бапкерлерім. Болды тұрады.
Yes, I definitely want to get back here as soon as possible. I came here to fight. I'm young, I'm hungry, I want to be here. So as soon as the promotion is able to get me back into the octagon, I would love to come back. I want them to know that I'm very eager to be back as soon as possible. When it comes to an opponent, I know Joshua Van was just recently fighting Zhalgas Magulov, who's my countryman, and he lost to him. So I'd love to revenge that loss, and I think that would be a good next fight for that. And then just because I have the chance, I would love to thank really everybody who was there to prepare me, my team, especially my team in Colorado, the Elevation team over in Colorado, and specific names that were named up.